Welcome, mathematicians. Before we get started, I just got to tell you, I am enjoying such a good cup of hot chocolate. And I wish you could be having one right now as well. All right, let's get started. In this video, we're going to walk through a good basic strategy that you can use to graph any function, any equation that comes your way. And the key to this good basic strategy is to just create a table of values. So I'm going to start by making myself a little table. X and Y values. And the nice thing about an equation, about a function, is I can pick values for X, input them into the equation, boop, 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 and it's going to calculate Y for me. I'm going to start with the easiest value I know, 0. I'm going to take my function. Oh, by the way, I thought as an example we'd graph this function, f of x is equal to 1/3 of an x minus 1. Okay, let's send 0 in. So f of 0 is equal to 1/3 times 0 minus 1. 0 times anything is 0, so 0 minus 1 is just equal to -1. When 0 comes in, -1 comes out. All right, as I pick other values, I'm going to think and try to pick nice values that will give me integer output. Since I know I'm multiplying by 1/3, it's the same as dividing by 3, so I'm going to pick multiples of 3 to send in. So for example, let me pick 6. If I send 6 in, f of 6 is 1/3 times 6 minus 1. 1/3 times 6 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So if 6 goes in, 1 comes out. Now let's try a negative number. Why not -6? And if -6 goes into my function, 1/3 times -6 is -2. Minus 1 more is -3. So this good basic strategy, what you're really doing is just creating a table of values to start with by picking strategic x values, putting them into your function, inputting them, and getting the output. Next is I'm going to plot these points now in my coordinate plane. I've got my x-axis and my y-axis. My first point, x is -6. And y is -3, right there. My next point, x is 0, y is -1. I'm going to move in. And finally, my third point, x is 6, and y is 1. I have these 3 points. I can see they're lining up as a straight line. Now get out your ruler, and I mean it, use a ruler for this. Put your ruler down along those points. It will also help you see this if they are all in a line. And then you are going to extend that line through the entire coordinate plane. Now notice mine isn't that straight. I can't really put my ruler on my iPad, but really on your paper, put your ruler down and do that. You want to get a good, clean picture. All right, mathematicians, great basic strategy. You can graph anything this way, so go give it a go. All right, see you in a bit.